Microwave TV.
Top of the morning, Gaza Nation. Let's talk mental health. Because a lot of people in Jamaica don't talk about mental health. It's a taboo subject. Nobody now associate themselves with certain aspects of mental health when all of us go through it every day. We all go through mental health issues. We all have mental health problems. Now, I mean, some more than others. But it is what it is, you know. And we as a nation need to stop letting it be taboo to talk about it. We have to check up on one another. Because sometimes you don't know where a man go through. You don't know where a woman go through. Because upon the outside, they must show a smiling face. You know, because life tough, you know, so people have to just put on them best face and face the world. But sometimes them go through issues where them just need somebody to check on them. Or, you know, especially for man, because you know, man love going like, oh, we're tough and everything good and, you know. But sometimes deep inside a voice I cry out. Sometimes if you look, oh, John was starting to tell the people it's real. But you know, sometimes we have to check on one another. We have to check on one another. There are boundaries, yes, because you know, I look like we are infringe on a man's business, but if a man is your brethren or a woman is your sister, and you say like something will go wrong, check on them. Might mean the world to them is it, they might even save all their life, Jay. All this under my nose. I'm out.
Fuck your mother. What do you know about beer drinks? That will make you know about drinks. And I know me to get no out of drinks money. Fuck doing a batty boy. Alright. Franco and life apart, batty boy. You know what you do? You really know what you do, batty boy? Oh my God. You know me how? You know me how? Bring my money come! Whatever for me, I doubt my dad, nothing on me. Look what I done, so when I have a class, pussy. Yeah.
A lot of you guys are disgusted and disappointed in Chrissy's behavior, you know, the nonchalantness and her blaming basically you guys, the viewers, for the actions of her husband, that she seems to be standing in solidarity and enabling his behavior, not just his promiscuous ways and his lack of sexual discipline, but now it seems that he was grooming and you know, was awaiting the chance to take advantage of her young daughter, and it was taken up. We all know the story now. I don't think anybody can come and say it's a prank or it wasn't the stepdaughter. He did an interview basically admitting to all of that, that it was that. But I want y'all to remember where Chrissy is coming from. This is a poor girl from rural St. Catherine, Linstead, St. Catherine, that never in her wildest dream would have imagined that her life would be like this. You know, she have all the materialistic things and everything that should make anybody in the world happy and comfortable. I'm pretty sure she never knew that this would be her life when she was standing, you know, outside Linstead in the morning with Hector the fruits man, a married man, might I add, that she used to do whatever she had to do to get money from. You know, he used to help her out, her sugar daddy. So she probably feels indebted to her husband, her savior, which saved her from that single motherhood, from nothingness, and took her up and gave her this life of luxury. Honestly, I think she's giving him too much credit, because I even see him talk about, oh, what is she supposed to do with 4 kids? Buy her own and go gymnastics and all those stuff. Chrissy, you have enough money. You can hire help. I I think I'm one of the laziest persons in the world, but even in my laziness, I would never tie myself down to somebody just because they could help me get the kids ready for school. This is America. You can hire out whatever help you need, or you could do it yourself. There's a lot of single mothers out there that are doing it themselves, and they are doing it great. I don't know whatever reason she has to stay with this man, but he's the downfall of both of you guys. I'm not even going to say, oh, he's going to be the downfall, because you guys are on your way to the downfall. And I'm not even going to say, oh, cancel them, because remember, there is a generation of people that allow these things. There's a generation of women that used to sell their kids to men or encourage their girl child to date older men to get money. So a lot of them are not going to see anything wrong with this, and they're going to tell us to leave them alone and live. And a lot of people, I don't get it, because you cannot say that you love the family, but you want to talk down on a little child and say the child is lying. I believe that child 100%. And Chrissy, we'll hear about y'all. No, I'm not going to watch them. I've never, ever been entertained by them in the first place. But we'll hear. We'll hear the next thing that happened. You know, maybe the next girl he got pregnant, because he did get one of those 2 girls pregnant. And I believe she lost her fallopian tube during that pregnancy when she miscarried. So we'll hear again. And it's not our fault. So when you're coming in here and saying, oh, you don't do this and you have integrity, you want a woman, and you want to blame everybody else but your husband, he's the weapon that fall against you. We're just talking about it. We're just merely spectators, spectating on your perfect life that you invited us on. So you can't want us to see the glitz and the glams and want to shun us out when things aren't going your way. You welcomed us in, and we're here.
Hi everyone, it's Sho here. As you know, we have been fighting to protect the constitutional right to free speech for the more than 170 million Americans who use our platform every day to connect, create, discover, and achieve their dreams. On behalf of everyone at TikTok and all our users across the country, I want to thank President Trump for his commitment to work with us to find a solution that keeps TikTok available in the United States. This is a strong stand for the First Amendment and against arbitrary censorship. As we've said, TikTok is a place where people can create communities, discover new interests, and express themselves, including over 7 million American businesses who earn a living and gain new customers using our platform. We are grateful and pleased to have the support of a president who truly understands our platform, one who has used TikTok to express his own thoughts and perspectives, connecting with the world and generating more than 60 billion views of his content in the process. To all American users, thank you for making our TikTok community such a rich and vibrant space, for surprising and delighting us every day. Rest assured, we will do everything in our power to ensure our platform thrives as your online home for limitless creativity and discovery, as well as a source of inspiration and joy for years to come. Thank you. More to come.
I have a warm spot in my heart for TikTok.
Funny, thank you. Come chat. Too much people there here. Push everybody taps at please.
22 rows chat.
Come on chat. 22 people, 22 rows. All I want to go recharge and come. May I play match now? Recharge and come chat.
22 rows chat. Me suppose the mama na war beat me.
22 people.
But take my heart blood clot desire. Moving forward. You see Derek Morgan. Derek Man is a dirty blood clot. Come on for this regardless, it's blood
22 rows chat. Everybody.
You never seen a rose a while ago. Regardless, lift up.
22 roses, everybody. Come on.
Lift up.
Chat, hurry up. 22 people. One of them.
Come on, shit all on the mouth. Nah, come talk because of the shame. Una yam shit.
Hurry up.
Someone na drink come and shit una yam. Man a piece of shit pa una can't talk.
Hurry up.
Some uno. All the fathers to fuck una can't talk. Una come about gyal. All the while you want story where make no sense. When I will try pull pan gyal, you can't pull a story for me. And do you say about me I eat you run with it? Where? Fuck una mama.
People, come chat.
Where? Look and look out my blood clot. Triple chat. No walk and blame them. Blame up them blood because they want clothes and a blood clot with the stinking self. Me I run them clothes, you don't know. I want a dirty cloud tracer. Use the triple chat show. Una dirty cloud tracer on TikTok.
Chat, we need some money, God.
Triple chat.
Interstellar. Come on my side.
Una
Send it
dirty cloud tracer.
Come chat.
Triple. Cool it on the door. Let me speak. But don't even try hard. I'm not trying hard. Use the triple chat. We're not dirty cloud tracer on TikTok. But I was when I got cool and don't know the favor. You have to start a dirty Batman gonna live that way. Walk and catch like dog and hungry. One blam in that chat.
It's ready.
President.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Everybody per WhatsApp. Let's get to 1 million likes, my side. Everybody just...
Marley, what's up? Like this is my careless. Don't take your mother, man. Don't take the mother, don't take the mother, man. Eh? What people say if I take my mom blood clot, man? Eh?
Tiffany with the
mama, never gonna eat on the road with this speak like.
Chat with the gloves.
Someone I move around and broke, gonna live on credit no blood clot and credit plan like when I smart it, but I broke and hungry and I walk a look pure cloud.
Left the gloves for next game, chat. Everybody on the bus to recharge me, please.
Blame them on the good girl, them thanks.
Come. Everybody go bus to recharge. And people may ask enough to tap up the screen. Guys, if
I want to someone to problem, so I can't move on me there. We'll never get 200 followers yet. Because I no like, you know. No.
Big up all of my shooter them. Big up on the sub. Thank you so much. Everybody respect and thank you now. No chat. We need the tops, okay? We'll play first to 6. We don't count this because she's already there.
Thanks everybody. 4 top shot. We take anybody who my heart desire.
Come chat. Broke this my
if you want to take my coat, I take anybody who want to take my take.
That is it. Everybody
can talk about life of fast feet and bumbo. Kims, me no want to be here make you just shit up. Me no want a boy come plant no egg nest in my wall, no worm.
Thanks for the follow.
I want my old worm. You stink like a dirty, hungry, stinking batty man. I'm a cousin me that take too.
Come on, chat. Tapsies. We need 1 million likes.
Power tap the slide. Moving forward. Bring a one.
All right. Done with them good enough because the one you're at.
What is it?
Something about you that you took the wrong way over here.
What that?
So, this morning, me that do like a pre-review. Because you know the girl them teeth, the review I have it I do on them live now. Alright. Yeah. So, me just give them, because you know me a trendsetter upon here with the preview and the things that I'm carrying.
13 rows, yeah.
Come chat, 13, I could catch a speed then my reason. 13 rows, me have to catch a speed then because my reason I work, my love. Work me, because I close up for me. You alright. Come chat. Alright. So, the thing with you and World Dog, I mean, I said this because I said Chippy. The thing with you and World Dog, you take it the wrong way. Yes, but you take it the wrong way. Yeah, but me see you in the video.
Triple chat.
You're the answer him. Tell us you take it the wrong way. Listen. He means say.
I'm on bicycle. Look at the start for me on the bicycle.
Triple chat.
Triple chat.
Somebody send me a wheel, Galaxy, Universe, Lion, something more fly. Come chat. Which one are we gonna get to a lion first? Come on.
Triple chat.
It's a black Jamie for my life. Come on, the fuck you over here, son, bitch. Not for this, man.
Come on,
you
chat.
Call somebody barfly. Look, man, you call somebody barfly when you fuck off, Sheena. Get away. Come, people. Oh, who send that?
Did you triple chat?
Tiffany, thank you.
Come on, chat. Snipe the triple.
Tiffany.
Snipe it.
Thank you,
Snipe it, chat.
Bella.
Snipe it, chat.
Diana, CK thanks, Shari thanks. All on a sexy Wendy Topaz, thank you. Dr. Natalia. GMO, Murphy. Pick up on the badness. Yes, Rosealee, make me play.
Bluetooth.
When one dog say you have to take a break off of the app because you must you have money or something, I know so he mean. He means say in tired of the people them disrespect you, so you have to just take a little 1 week break and come back.
Blinger. Yeah,
Yes.
me make a talk. Yes, Blinger. Yeah, me make a talk. Talk, Blinger.
Alright. So me over here this morning and the girl them must say, Chippy never mean no bad and you get to take it the wrong way. So I said me have to tell her, say it's the wrong way she take it because when Chippy say, come off of the app for 1 week, you make enough money. Me never hear now what them a tell me, I say, so you can correct me. In though mean say, come off of the app now, man, you make enough money. Like him now, watch your pocket. He must say to you, say you can't take a 1 week break. I saw him mean. He never mean it in a bad way. Off of the app.
Yeah,
But me feel like same wrong for tell you. Listen good enough. Cause me not try the case yet. Me just listen. Cause 2 minutes know the story. Somebody say,
I'm gonna try the case.
What? Me gonna try the case, you know. But me want to hear from you. Me somebody say, if you wrong for tell her for come off of the app still. So them say no blinger. And I so I mean, it means say she make enough money. She make enough money so she can take a little break from the app and come back. A little 1 week break and come back. And really have a fact, Rosealee, me know Chippy rate you. So he could have never sit down over there and say, unless he mind change.
Snapchat.
So he could have never sit down over there and say if you come off of the app.
Snapchat.
So me I tell her say you take it the wrong way. I know so I mean. He might protect your integrity.
Protect me from what? Protect me from what?
Alright, the girl them thank you. Girlfriend stop. The girl them say, oh, everybody a class you and a class you put in them and I bring it down on them. Miss about a regular thing that for Rosealee and them. The girl them Rosealee and the girl them ever in a hot water and them something there.
Talk bling a me hesitate, Tansha, talk.
Hola, me have to fix it. Me have to fix the thing where I fix it. So me have say a regular thing this to Rosealee. You understand? She and the girl them ever go down Emmanuel Road. So me I try to say, as a man, what Chippy say, him feel a way about that and him know why you follow up the things. That's what I mean.
So big up, me ask a question now. Like what you say all over the world. So me ask a question. Thanks everybody, me ask a question. Bling.
Oh, guys, thank you.
Thanks, chat. Me ask a question. Bling. I when them stop class, weep on the app.
When who?
When the people them stop class, all out.
When them ever class we know.
Oh. So why out of everybody is on TikTok? Why am me? Figure it a break. More than everybody.
All right. Good question.
Me ask a question. More on buy carpet too, you know.
Yeah.
More on carpet too.
All right. So good question. More
on smoke shop too.
Everybody push up his score. All right. So Rosealee.
I want good house too. I want some clothes too. I want travel too.
True. So me I tell you what go on now. Chippy rate you and love you. And Chippy say, he must say, why him talk to you and show your vibes.
Yeah. Survival of the fittest. Survival of the fittest. You have your court case and you do your thing. You can't say, oh, bigger stick I should mix up. What you have to do for make your money. Me can't cast no judgment on you. You have to do what you have to do for you make your money. You can mix up come. Whatever you have to do for make your money, we can't have no sense to that. Because I leave the app now because
Rosealee, when we just here.
No, big up mark that question. We put up on TikTok?
No.
Who put me up on TikTok? We just find ourselves here with platform, don't it? And people like we fool we over. You can't tell somebody to leave from nowhere, you don't put nowhere.
Alright, well Rosealee.
Controlling. Nobody can control my move.
Alright, so listen to what Nina say.
He's a mad person, bring her. Bring her one of the two top. Me's mad, you know? Me know. Me mad, you know? Me no secretly not silent, mad, you know? But totally.
Alright, you know what? You're mad. No go lie down it. Come here and live. So me supposed to can't argue talk.
Bring on me and I argue. I love you like life. It's me. I tell you how I feel. When
You know
I
how
argue.
you feel, but what me I
Why
say?
if you left the app, you get carved. Bring on. Back in the days when World Dog didn't have him crown, you know. Him not play much today, you know. One.
Good.
I said, I'm never talk to my people, them.
But people grow up in a Rosealee. Rosealee, you know, say people grow. People grow. Remember one time when nobody didn't want to play with your friend, you know? Make a reason.
Well,
Remember
dead.
good. Not him. No, not him. The other one.
Ooh.
Yeah. And
Ooh.
one time when nobody couldn't play with your friend, now to make the highlight and the spotlight, everybody at one. Chat. Two.
Akira, Jaden, Gaiden.
One Galaxy and two on our chat. Bumbleclad.
I don't want to play with him back then, but I want to play with him now.
Exactly. All right. No. Make a reason.
Catch your speed.
When it come to World Dog been through so much, so him grow up now, him more mature now. So what am I say to you? Chat, come on, one Galaxy and two
catch your speed, chat one Galaxy and two money gun.
Chat, one Galaxy, two money gun. Somebody help me now, Jesus. Chat, why? People not go bust a recharge and come back, cause we a reason. Bust a recharge and come back, chat. That's crazy.
Mom, I work with I beg me, I look something for beg.
Come on, chat. Everybody power tap the screen.
Power tap it and run the recharge. Me no want.
Power tap and Rose's chat. Power taps and recharge. So, Rosealee, listen now.
Yeah.
I may ask somebody will agree to disagree on all these things. Me I go play Chippy.
Your boss ever seen a lion?
Hold on.
Eh? I tell you. I could come and say the same thing, say Fabi use you. I could have come and say the same thing, say Fabi ever send down a lion, I don't ever send Fabi lion and stir up one big argument boy, but me change. Me can't come every morning and beat you, hold on about the slack. I'm here, wait. Me can't come and beat you about the slack life where I live. That's why I'm unfollow you know, Jaden. I'm unfollow Rose. No, notice I'm unfollow Jaden, I'm unfollow Rose. I remove myself from them. After me see what they do, after me show Rose are real vibes and Rose go do that, and Jaden go on the live.
Alright. Remember the real vibes when I ignore action now.
Him tell me, say me never follow people that disrespect me to make them talk. Him tell me that last year with Negos. Him can't show me no revive. You can't tell me one thing and then come back, come tell me the next thing like, yeah, look, yeah, use mind game for me to play with damn them. You know where it come from, him can't trick me. You can't show me the vibe. I'm not.
Come chat, 24 rows.
I asked him tell me to stop follow up Legos and be me and don't look at people love me on the app. Don't tell me last year. When you come back and tell me something different, no, you can't mix me up. Nobody store my brain. I like my brain storing. I'm mad. I'm not
right,
no dumb.
Come on, 24 roses, everybody come. Quick and fast, chat. Catch your speed.
Him me, I didn't know don't follow the people them. So you just don't, me, him never follow up, blame them. Him hate me because me upload blame them. That's the real blood clot reason blinger. I no one call him name.
That is it, my side.
He's the real reason. And it's just the fucking truth.
What? 3 more rows, chat. Come on. Catch your speed, chat. 3 more rows, 1 more chat. Somebody, anybody. Chat. I could catch your speed. What? All right.
Like focus on the speed.
Come, chat. Triple down, then we'll get back to the argument. Triple, chat. Come. I could get back to the argument. Come, chat. Triple. That is it. Thank you so much. Jesus. Triple chat. Everybody triple. Chat. We need an interstellar. We need a lion. Who can send me a lion? Chat, I could see out of me and Rosealee. Who are going to get a lion first? Come chat, I could see who can get a lion first. Come on, people. Don't push up the score. Everybody send one up. Me don't care one up. Just send it. Could have 1 rose and a half. Send it. Come. Come, guys. Everybody push up the score. Chat. We're not bust a recharge and come. That's Christ of Nazareth. No, sir. Everybody will have to work together.
Guys, if I run
Chat will have to work together.
I'll try to work up. Blame them. Thanks, chat. Yes, bring away your say. Bring away your say.
All right.
You're going on the duty, yeah.
We're going there. Guys, on the run, go roll a recharge and come. So, Rosealee, this new to me now.
You never hear that?
I never saw me. No, this new to me now because I never saw me. I look on the camera and said, I forgot to tell you, say, yeah, look on the situation wrong because I don't think I saw World Dog did mean it.
He told me.
But now you come and say, next to you play with Blam them. Oh, you know that?
He told me
you know
last
that?
year. Bigger, listen. You have to listen. He told me last year, when I follow people on TikTok, there are people who love me. And when I just argue with us, come off live, I go GX, Ray. Nobody answer nobody, stay positive. That's what I told me last year. I never answer negos. I never let them the things there. So why when Blam them come on and I beat you bad, and I'm playing with him, you have a problem. And for me, I play with Blam them, you have to come off for the app. Because people are disrespect me.
Wasn't it the argument with me know you and Shay go down Emmanuel Road couple times? Wasn't that the argument I say with you and Blam them?
From start play with Blam them, man, I just come off for the app and get the app a break because two people are disrespect me.
Thank you.
Look at the blood clap argument with Shay. Shay them argue with themselves. Yeah, Shay them argue. Shay them a close so we argue with themselves. Me argue with Shay. And Shay was a look close off of me, I look on she. All
right. So it's not Shay. So you say from your start Blam. All right, so
from Blam them in pastor remarks them in a fool.
Okay. All right. Well, I wasn't aware of that.
You know what that come off of? I'm a fool. Oh, Rosealee stop playing because I went since we not get this fire. I when him stop get more of asking me so when you stop get this fire.
Guys, big up on yourself. Everybody enough love.
Because we always get this on here.
Can we work together?
When you play with just a star, them drag you. Right? When you come say you will never ever stop playing with Perry. And Perry a fish. Don't it? Okay. I can't tell you who to play with, say why you want them to play with. So the goose goes for you, but the guy that goes for me, no, Roda.
All right then, well, guess what now? This take a turn in my book.
You do what you have to do.
Everybody power tap. So Rosealee, listen, this take a turn in my book then because me never know about this part. Me just a focus plan for sure you say the man never mean nothing when the man say bling the screen recording. What does that have to do with me? Which screen recording? It said them a screen record me. You look up on the For You page and type in bling on the smell of that place.
Nah. There's no way I can look at you and say, oh, bling, I come up on TikTok. Here, I'm more celebrate well. I don't know what about this. I talk about me. Yes, I'm my bread and butter. I not work now. So I'm going to the app a break. When him say, oh, you make too much money. Okay, then. You're still here. But you're going to dominate over favorite. And him gone over the app. Making a see me now. I favorite him take over. As a Jamaican rank against the American them. And I'm dominate over there. They cannot see me. Him sending people him go over favorite. Go give him. Because favorite take 30% and over here take half. So the one I was still like leave out of people. So what you have to say to me? You're not giving no way I break, so I'm to get. You're not getting no way I break, so I mean. All
right. So listen now. You just show me one different vibes. But listen, him same love you and him rate you. Him just tired of people like this you. That is it, see?
You can't control that. Blinga, what I'm trying to say to you. Blinga, listen. What I'm gonna say to you, him and the blood clad world. Whether me play black them or not, people are always listen, you know. Because everybody gonna like me, and everybody gonna like me for me. And me can't control that.
That 25 roses, everybody 25
roses. Everybody like me for me and me can't control that. True. They can always give me and look my bread.
Chat,
they can't tell me to play with.
25 people, 25 roses. Come on, chat. We can do this. Chat, no. We just work together, people. Everybody work together. 10 more roses. That's Christ of Nazareth. Come, chat. 4 more. We can do this. People, me know we can do this. All we have to do is work together as a team, chat. That is it. And so me I tell you, work together as a team. If I $2 on have recharge it. If I $2 on have recharge, we have 2,000 people here. Chat, we can work together.
Guys, use a time stream because say we can go up there, triple chat.
Come on, chat, triple. Everybody shoot anything we don't have now.
And that where money gun, pussy, rat, cat, and mad. Come chat.
Shoot anything, chat. Come. We not no play. No lion, no.
Triple chat, use
something, anything. Chat triple. Come people.
Triple chat. You know, understand what you have to do.
Money gun and art. Anything at all. Drop it.
Me a big man. When my career did I took off a lava bus me. I thought you call me a lava bus.
Lava. Thank you.
Chat. Use the time stream. Never listen to Word Dog. Word Dog, when Word Dog in and private.
Thank you.
Match. Sometimes tell you say I'm not playing none. Can be a crowd over there in my dancing money. So you dancing now work for money no more you done for me. Me not do nothing.
Lava, thank you so much. You're awesome.
Drop your gloves here, chat. Blinger, no care what you are going to say about disrespect.
No, me don't say no, because me never hear that this
Blinger, you know, piss me off. How the fuck you live in a first world country and me live in a bottom of my blood clot cesspool, which is shit. I got to tell me, believe my bread and butter can't me make too much money.
Alright, when I just heard this, me said
let me can't stop you from this.
Listen, when I just hear it, I say him wrong for that. But then somebody come tell me, say, Bling, and I so he mean it. It means, say, too much people are this Rosealee, and him tired of it, and him love Rosealee, and rate Rosealee. So I say, well, Rosealee need to understand.
How much people this aim? How many people are hypocrite on the app? How much people this aim? How much people this way? How much people in the corporate world? They are asking the Blinger. How much people do that is a quiet period, Khandy, a Shibad, a Blinger, Rosealee, a Triple, a Jade? How much people are this way? How much people this way, Blinger, is uncountable.
I know, but
we can't stop him from this way.
No, but what I was trying to put across to you is that he just consider you as him like a friend, and him everybody enough love, big up on the badness my side. Him just consider you as him like a friend.
Me consider him as my friend to me meet him in a real life. But when people are this, when we forget about it. Shalom, everybody this empire. Don't want to get this. Who them a drag fire?
Who them a drag fire? Who no banana clothes?
Oh. Okay. Thanks. So that means I don't want to get this, don't it?
Yeah.
True or false?
True
or false? So what the fuck you might come say to me about this?
Yes, but listen, like me say, you just been a
Blinger, I bet you come say to me say, Blinger, I bet that Road Dog got 2 shades. Come to me say, Blinger, Road Dog, Rosealee, me can't believe me here for the song I play with Blam Them.
Thank you,
I come say that.
Well, I
don't call Blam Them.
Yes, but me I try to tell you, say, me never knows that the partner now are you, just to bring that up, so me have to shut up now.
Play with.
No, but me have to shut up now.
You're a big man.
Well, that is truth. Him cannot tell you who to play with for truth. But me I tell you, say,
25 roads.
Him just tired of people like this, you and the pitney them and uno family. Yeah, that him feel.
Blinger, I want them to stop do that.
Me not know when the lock up close.
Oh, okay.
And you know when the app close, we're going back to IG or over favorite or somewhere else.
Okay.
All right, chat.
Guys,
25 roses, chat. Let's go.
I'm not leave your goddamn time. They have my own responsibility.
Everybody, we need 25 roses. Come on, people.
Word out them only one piece. Just feed them. We have feed them with only. Me and a Swissley we can't say, oh, do that and I do that. I'm my own girl, no man. Me not take program, you know. None of my man will take care and program me. Me not take program from nobody. You understand? Come on, like, me not even like people business. If I see me come here,
25 was chat. 25. Come on, chat. Hurry up. Mighty God, we're not going to get this. Jesus Christ. All right, we have to drop gloves.
Me not look close off of people that come my head sick. But if sometimes...
Chat, drop 1 gloves for me.
Triple chat.
Drop one gloves. When I no gloves chat. Everybody come shoot. Guys, we're looking at Lion, we're looking at Interstellar.
Prime and them.
Nice side, we don't have no gloves. We never did have any gloves. Jesus Christ of Nazareth of we never did have no gloves.
You know, use a triple chat, we look 2 live goal.
Chat.
Or a live goal.
Me need a lion.
Come chat.
Alright, so chat if you can't send me the lion, support the live goal. To the people who can't send me anything.
Come on, let's have a beat our score.
Zeros, thank you, my Jesus Christ. Them a kick out my teeth. We don't have gloves. Zeros, you're awesome. Thank you.
Top chef, blame them. The good people, them blinger. I'm gonna tell them, big man, you know, I'm gonna run programming and blinger. Come head sick. These are Gemini. My slide bipolar.
Yeah, we don't have gloves.
Blinger is when bird. You know what bother me? When Rolag lip on top, him never give me this eye like, don't give me no come and search you.
Alright, chat. Everybody click on the rose. Click on the gloves, chat, and donuts. Everybody click
on the I know what them do, never look close or tight. Yet.
Click
on know what the meaning that is.
Boss Stacy, thank you. Everybody click on the gloves and shoot. Guys, click on the gloves and shoot, please. That's 5 times.
I don't know what the meaning that is. I never look close from them yet.
Everybody click on the gloves and shoot. Click gloves and shoot.
When you do the pan top, I never used to look close over them yet. You tear them class them and drag them. I never had nobody tear them down there yet. So why are you doing this now? Why are you doing? You know, me have 2 kids and I'm a bumble clad house. They say you come here 2 hours, but me have a house and me have a car. What the fuck you tell me that?
Girlfriend, thank you. But girlfriend, wait, we should not do that panic gloves. Good day. Me have to go teach you how to shoot. Let me follow that lady here. Everybody follow me this one, please. Follow you already, goodie. So, girlfriend, listen, you can shoot how you shoot, you know. But like when I'm playing a match, it's good. It's better to shoot on the double and the gloves. Okay, but thank you so much still. If you don't understand, then you can just always shoot.
Guys, we are trying so we can go 4.
Just Christ. All right.
Snapchat.
Me a beg una thank your girlfriend, but you see she go win me. She go win me. So what you can do if you have any more coins?
Y'all, Chrissy.
The next time when you hear me say shoot, if you have anything.
Thanks. No, me not gonna stop you blame them. You can't me like blame them. You can't tell me for life. He find him funny. Why you tap them? Why? Because
Wendy, everybody.
I don't understand. I don't understand the world. Why? Because you have a beef. I must have it. Me don't understand that. Me like you. The child people go such wide to the world have a beef with you. Me for have a blinger. That's crazy. So me never have a own of mine. Oh.
Alright, chat, listen.
Me for black my page. Don't follow me. Come in and look. Followers support me and look. Power taps.
Everybody, please to power taps. Get us to 1 million likes, chat. We need to go first to 6. Should there are 3? As no ya say it. May I say, okay. But well, if you say so, you must know in a moment. Because I can't know. But
don't plug Blingham. No, you can't tell me for like. And me like Blingham is a Gemini. Me like him, I just like you. Nobody can go in on my head and tell me what to do. Blingham, if me like him, I just literally like, and if I don't, I just don't. I'm not gonna work about people said Blingham get to 8 Jenna because they lie and wicked and evil. Him cannot be trusted, that's why I hate him. I'm gonna do that publicly. Because him very lie and I play prank him pull. I can't have a friend who can't know when once I tell the truth and when I lie. I don't want them type of friend there. The call jump over the moon and you know a lie I tell. What kind of friend that more have?
But Rosealee, nobody can watch you and Jaden because 1 minute
no. Bling up me done with Jaden. Finish.
Much time you see so? How much time you see this so?
I am gonna see it. You know what I say? Your nose are on. You. Think I got you more. You see it.
All right, now we catch this 10 talk. 25 roses, everybody. Come on, chat. 25 roses. People, we need
What
25
chat?
persons to send 25 roses.
Don't tell me for bomber clap mute or shoot or you go on.
You're there.
Simple.
Mute me.
It's a part of the game. Are you go on or me end this sound go on? Remember my ex.
Come on, chat. 25 roses. Everybody, 15 more.
Moderate the girl where type mute and them not shoot black them.
15
Shoot
more
are you
people.
one. She's a part of the game and I'm mute nobody.
15 people,
I
chat.
give
Come
you
on.
look.
Come on.
Give.
Come on, chat. 15 persons.
I like
Come.
to make a blood
Chat,
clot
focus.
this.
10 more.
Moderator, who right you black them. And this?
15
Now
people.
pussy clot you me say. This is
Right.
choking me tell me the pan.
No.
Moderator mute who, black who right mute. I give me a look.
All right. We need 25 persons to have roses every
Now
time.
look 100K if you go open at this tree lion. Now look,
25
go
people go recharge $5.
triple chat.
25 person go recharge $5.
Come here, girl. I must say it's a blood clot joke me I make. Me not run joke, you know. I want me never
Listen.
fire yet. Me not run joke, my love. Me not run joke. Me you black on myself. Triple chat.
We play one match. We play one big match in a 15 minutes, okay?
Triple
Because
chat. Use the time street.
listen, we not no gloves.
Use the time street chat. We don't know use the time street at about mute.
Chat, listen.
I won't know.
5, 10, 5, 10.
Fire.
Chat, in
Top
15 minutes,
What
me and her are going to play one big match.
Mute oh. I give me a look. So at the end of the day, the whole no class me. Like
So
screen a car.
everybody go
I feel like
recharge.
they don't like nobody. No
But
tell
for
me
them
to mute.
blood
These
clots.
live is just so. Marita throw them out of the live.
Not like
Give
me.
me
You like
a
them?
friend. Oh. Top chef and blame them tanks. Come.
All right, chat, listen.
Yeah,
We're going to
try
play
go
one big match in a 15 minutes, chat, because you don't understand what I say. So I'm going to ask you for recharge. The next 15 minutes, we have one of them official match business. Me not see them. You're crazy. See woman. Then could I eat like more for the business?
Guys who want 3 galaxy reach our next number. Guys who look 3 galaxy we got 8.
Everybody.
Guys who look 3 galaxy we got 6.
What course?
Guys who look 3 galaxy we
We're
got
going to
6.
ask you for a recharge. In our next 15 minutes, we're going to play one, we like official match chat. But we are going to play 3 more match after this, then the big match. So everybody know, when they're on the live, the 2 live, them gonna go recharge.
Everybody thanks. Yeah, me no mono. We like blame them. For some reason, I don't even know why.
All right, chat. We're go.
Yeah.
Because him can chat. Anybody really like him chat be a shit a lot. And him have a buzz. That's why. All right, chat. We're going to play 3 more match.
Thanks, chat. Me like blame them. Me no know. Him cost me too. But I get so accustomed to I get so accustomed to the girl and the people class me. What blame them so they literally hurt me, but just find it funny. Like how Derek over that class me since night and I find it funny. Derek literally, I said, we have one $10,000 right now. That's a Derek, you make me night.
Listen, him a go
them can't tell me nothing.
Him a go make video on me now and then come back couple days, come say, let's bring her. Come, Rosealee, we can't keep up.
Moderator the video with Derek make bumble with the titles with me now flush. Send it, come give me. I want to see it for laugh.
All right, chat. Everybody power taps. So chat,
Power
we're
taps,
all out for Bossa recharge.
Chat.
We're going to play one big match in our few. So Bossa recharge, in 15 minutes, we'll play one official match, okay? 5, 10. Yes. So come, recharge.
Come and chat.